Hi, Mr. Aslan, the landlord, here for Vegetable Food Therapy. It's 10 minutes past 2, 14:10 hours on Thursday, 15th of August 2024. And I have a 4-fruit salad here. It's smothered with nuts and oats, so you can't see it, but let me explain what I have. I have 1 banana, which I've sliced into 14 slices. I have 19 black grapes, which I didn't bother to halve because they were quite tiny. I have 3 slices of papaya. Papayas are very rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. And what else do I have? I have half a navel orange. Okay, so those are the 4 fruits that I have there. And I have 2 or 3 tablespoons of oats, rolled oats. In fact, these are breakfast oats, so they had dried strawberries and other stuff in it as well. I have nuts, okay, the 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and the nuts are, I've got pistachio kernels, I've got sliced almonds, melon seeds, and pumpkin seeds, and walnuts as well, okay. And I put the juice of about a quarter of a lemon and the juice of 1 key lime. So I'm going to stir it up and have it for my snack before I have my meal of the day a little later. Once the Pasar Malam opens, I'll get some stuff from the Pasar Malam. Okay, see you next time. Bye!
The papaya, known in some countries as the pawpaw, is renowned for its high vitamins A and C content and for its medicinal properties, while papain, an enzyme found in both the fruit and leaves, is used as a meat tenderizer. A native of Mexico, there are many different varieties, ranging in size from long pendulous fruits of 35-40 centimeters, 14 to 16 inches, to dainty little egg-shaped fruits. The skin is green, usually turning to yellow or orange as the fruit ripens. Inside the papaya is a cavity which contains a mass of shiny black seeds, which are discarded, although they are edible. The ripe flesh, ranging from golden to salmon pink, is always eaten raw, usually accompanied by a squeeze of lime juice. However, unripe papayas are used in salads or cooked as vegetables throughout Southeast Asia. Many of the modern commercially grown hybrids, which are usually smaller in size than the old-fashioned fruit and known as Hawaiian or solo papayas, have a richer flavor than older varieties.
Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to show your support.